Pakistan remains deeply concerned about the ongoing atrocities against the people of Gaza by Israeli occupation forces. We strongly condemn yesterday's attack on UNRWA's food distribution center in the eastern part of Rafah in southern Gaza. Attack against the few remaining food distribution centers for a population on the verge of famine is part of Israel's deliberate and inhumane policy of mass starvation. It is inhumane, unconscionable, and a crime against humanity. UNRWA serves as a lifeline for over 2 million people, providing shelter and delivering vital food and primary healthcare services. It needs enhanced international support and protection during the ongoing inhumane war on Gaza. Pakistan also condemns in the strongest possible terms the recent Israeli decision regarding the construction of 3,500 new settlement units in occupied West Bank. The Israeli action violates international law, international humanitarian laws, and relevant resolutions of the United Nations and OIC. It would therefore undermine the prospects of an independent, sovereign, and contiguous Palestinian state. We call on the United Nations Security Council to bring an end to these crimes of the occupation authorities against the people of Palestine and to fulfill its responsibilities under the UN Charter to bring an end to the sufferings of the Palestinian people.